Hello people, today we're going to be looking at solving rational expressions. So the first question I have for you guys is x minus 3 over x minus 4 that equals 3. So now I basically like these types of questions because you just have to follow one type of method to find all your answers for different types of questions. So for this question, you need to cancel out x minus 4 to make it a single expression, single line equation or expression. So I would start out by doing this. X minus 4 x over 1 times, and then you have minus 3 over x minus 4 that equals 3 and x minus 4. There we go. Now you just need to cancel this x minus 4 and multiply all these x minus 4s. So your equation would turn out to be something like x squared minus 4x minus 3 that equals 3x minus 12. Now you just need to simplify it. So you get it as x squared minus 7x plus 9. There we go. So I basically just like to use quadratic equation or quadratic formula to find my answers. When it sums up to this answer. So if you don't know how to do the quadratic formula, work with the quadratic formula, please check out the video which has been posted in our YouTube channel. So this is how I would input the numbers in the quadratic formula. Nine, there it is, over 2 and 1. And your x, you get 2 x's, which is 7 plus root 13 over 2 and 7 minus root 13 over 2. These are your two possible numbers you can get. Now you need to form these answers in your decimal form. So this turns out to be 5.30 and this turns out to be 1.70. Okay, so that's your first question. So now for your second question, the question which I have is 4 over y minus 1 plus 2 equals, sorry, these are your answers. And yeah, continuing, 4 over y squared minus y. So this is your question. Okay, so just like this question, we're just going to cancel out the denominators. So we would start out by doing this. We're in here. Start out by doing this. 4 over y minus 1 plus 2 equals 4 over. Now I like to factor this out so that it helps you in canceling the numbers. So you can have y and y minus 1. So now when you're going to cancel out, you need to multiply it by both the sides. Y minus 1 and 4 times 4 over y minus 1. Okay, and then plus 2 over 1, that equals 4 over y minus 1 times y y minus 1. There it is. So you can just cancel it out over here, cancel this and this over here. So your answer would turn out to be 4y plus 2y y minus 1. So people tend to forget sometimes to multiply 2 with this. You don't have any denominator after 2 to cancel it out, so you need to multiply all of this with 2. So this is 2y in brackets y minus 1, that equals 4. There we go. So a simplified version of it would be 4y plus 2y squared minus 2y equals 4. And the even more simplified version would be 2y squared plus 2y minus 4. And now we just need to put this into the quadratic formula, and the answer I get in, then I put it into quadratic formula, or actually I could just write it for you guys. 2, here it is, 2 plus or minus root here, 2 squared minus 4, 2 and negative 4 minus 4, and over all of this over, just have to divide it over 2 sorry, here it is. Okay, so here it is. This is your quadratic formula, and your answer, which you would get, is 1 and negative 2. Now, this is the crucial part. You need to decide which one is the actual answer, and how you decide it is that you put in negative 2 into the y's, because you're finding y's. Literally, you've just found two y's, two possible y's. One is 1 and the other one is negative 2. So input 1 and into the y's over here, and then calculate the equation. You won't get it right. Your calculator would say it's an error. Try putting in negative 2, and you'll have the right answer. Like what I would do, what I would suggest you to do, is that move 4 over y minus 1 to after the equation equal to mark, so that you can calculate the y, inputting the y, and you can find out 2. So finally your answer would be negative 2. Thanks for watching.